Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back, groupies. Today we have a really exciting class. We're going to talk about shopping. Some different words, things we purchase or buy when we shop. We're going to learn 2 verbs that we use with shopping as well as 2 phrasal verbs. So get ready. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with others. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm really excited. We're going to have a great class today talking about shopping. Are you ready to learn those new words? Let's start. Our first one is clothes. 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 Yeah, when we just say the word, it kind of sounds weird, but when we use it in a sentence, it'll sound right. Clothes. Clothes. Yeah, so shirt, pants, pajamas, anything, sweaters, jackets, it's clothes. Clothes or clothing, clothes. Clothes. Very good. Next one, shoes. Shoes. So running shoes, high heel shoes, even boots, we could really call shoes. They are technically different, but things that we put on our feet. Shoes. Shoes. Dress shoes. Shoes. Excellent. Shoes. Clothes. Shoes. Clothes. Shoes. Excellent. Next one. Groceries. 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 So any kind of food we buy for our family for the week that we're going to cook with. Okay, so anything we buy, sometimes at the supermarket, these are groceries. 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 There's 3 sounds in the word. Groceries. 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 I always clap, but it works. Groceries. Groceries. Excellent. Next one, money. Money. We like money coming in, not going out, right? Money. Money. Excellent. So clothes, shoes, groceries, money. Let's add 2 more. Cashier. 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 The cashier is who we pay for things with, right? We pay the money to the cashier. We're going to learn more. Cashier. 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 Excellent. Cashier. Very good. And when we buy something or when someone buys something, they are the customer. 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 You got it. You got it. Customer. Excellent. Cashier. Customer. 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 Cashier. Customer. Excellent. So we have clothes, shoes. Say them with me. Clothes, shoes, groceries, money, cashier, customer. Do you remember them? You know what I'm going to do. Let's test it, okay? Do you remember? What's this? This is the number 1 we remember, right? Money. Excellent. Money. 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 Very good. Next one. When we buy food to cook, groceries. Excellent. Groceries. Groceries. Very good. Next one. Who's this? Cashier? No. Customer. Excellent. Customer. 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 Very good. These? Shoes. You got it. Shoes. 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 Excellent. This one? Cashier. 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 Excellent. And what we wear? Clothes. Yeah, clothes. 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 Excellent. Very good. Let's start with our first verb that we're going to practice today, which is buy. Yeah, so when we buy something, we receive something in exchange for a payment. Yeah, so we receive when we buy. Okay, let's look at an example. The verbs first. So I buy, you buy, she, he, it buys, we buy, they buy. In English, she, he, it buys. Yeah, excellent. Make sure you got that S there, okay? Buys. Very good. So let's practice. So here we have some. Do you remember what the picture is? Clothes, right? So our sentence, I want to buy some new clothes for summer, right? Sometimes when the seasons change, maybe that's just very Canadian of me, but I want to buy some new clothes for summer. Let's hear you. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. You want to buy? I want to buy some new clothes for summer. You see when we change the tone? I know I say this every week. But yeah, it makes us sound more natural, right? I want to buy some new clothes for summer. I want to buy some new clothes for summer. It changes what we say. Good job. So buy. Yeah, we're going to get some new clothes for summer. Let's look at another example. Now, groceries. So I need to buy groceries for the week. 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 Excellent. I need to buy groceries for the week. I need to buy groceries for the week. Excellent. Good job. How about some shoes? And we're going to add the word cashier. So we have a question. Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Hey, can I buy shoes from the cashier? Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Excellent. Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Good job. Very good. Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Can I buy shoes from the cashier? Good job. Excellent. Okay. Now our next verb we're going to talk about is pay. So this is when we give money in order to receive something. So pay and buy are very similar. Okay. So let's be really clear about it. So pay is when we give money. Yeah. So I pay. I give money for, what do I have? My chopstick. Yeah. I pay. I give money, yeah, for something. Whereas buy is the part of receiving. So for example, I pay you, yeah, I pay, and then I receive the thing. I buy it. Okay, so it works a little bit different. I hope that makes sense. If not, ask me below and I'll find another way. I'll think about it, another way to phrase it. Okay, so pay is when we give money, buy is when we receive something, right? Very good. So let's talk about pay. We're going to go back to pay. So there we have our verb. I pay, you pay, she, he, it pays, we pay, they pay. Got it? Let's say, what are we going to pay? So please pay the cashier for the groceries. Yeah, please pay. So we have to give the money to the cashier. So please pay the cashier for the groceries. Please pay the cashier for the groceries. Please pay the cashier for the groceries. Oh, can you please pay the cashier for the groceries? Please pay the cashier for the groceries. 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 We can say it in lots of dramatic ways. Excellent. Okay. Please pay the cashier for the groceries. Good job. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Who will pay? I will pay the cashier for the clothes. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Who will pay? I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Who will pay? I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Good job. Excellent. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Who will pay? I will pay. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Yes, I will pay the cashier for the clothes. Good job, everyone. Excellent. Let's go to our phrasal verb. So we learned buy and pay. Now we're going to go back to a phrasal verb. We learned this one before. If you haven't watched it, don't worry, we're going to learn it again. If you've done it, then we can practice it, okay? To try on. So if we're going to buy clothing or shoes, when we try on, it's when we put it on our body. So if it's a shirt, put it on our body. If it's shoes, put it on our feet in order to make sure it fits and it looks good, okay? Try on. So before we buy, before we pay, okay? So let's practice. Here we have a customer and we have some clothes. So the customer tried on the clothes. So it's past tense. Tried on was like yesterday. The customer tried on the clothes. Yesterday or last week, the customer tried on the clothes. The customer tried on the clothes. The customer tried on the clothes. Who tried on the clothes? The customer tried on the clothes. 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 Good job. Very good. Our next one, he tried on the shoes and paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. It might sound funny, paid with money. Sometimes we switch things, right? So sometimes maybe we pay somebody if we buy it secondhand, or maybe we switch for something else, right? So here we've just said we paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. He tried on the shoes and paid with money. Good job. Excellent. Very good. So now I want you to practice try on. If you have tried on some clothing recently, maybe you went shopping, maybe your children, maybe your parents, maybe your spouse, give me a sentence. What did you try on? Okay, and if you can work customer or cashier in there, amazing. If not, I've given you customer and I've given you clothes. So try it out. Give me a sentence. It's going to help you even more with your English. Just challenge yourself a little bit more. Not just like, I know, I don't need to. Do it. You're going to feel good. Okay, so try on. Try on, try on. You got it. Very good. Let's go to our next phrasal verb, which is pay for. Okay, so it's like pay, but it is a phrasal verb, pay for, okay, when we give money in exchange for something. So whenever we use the two together, okay, so for example, I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. Yeah, so I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. We can change the sentence and take away for. In this case, we're going to use it together, okay? Just to give you an example. I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. Oh, I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier? Oh, I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. I forgot I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. Yeah, when we change the tone, it sounds very different, right? It gives a different feeling. I need to pay for my groceries at the cashier. Good job. How about this one? She paid for the clothes with her credit card. Yeah, so she paid for not with cash, but with credit card. So she paid for the clothes with her credit card. She paid for the clothes with her credit card. She paid for the clothes with her credit card. She paid for the clothes with her credit card. Excellent. Very good. And our next one, they will pay for these shoes. Just a simple sentence. They will pay for these shoes. Who will pay for these shoes? They will pay for these shoes. 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 It sounds mean. They will pay for these shoes. Excellent. Practice. They will pay for these shoes. Very good. So now it's your turn. Pay for. So there's something we always pay for, right? We pay for rent. We pay our mortgage. Might be a big word for you. You got it. Pay for groceries, pay for school, pay for the bus, pay for the car, pay for the plane. So tell me, what's something that you paid for or you will pay for in your life? Tell me. Practice, pay for. Excellent. Good job. So what did we learn today? We learned clothes, shoes, groceries, money. Clothes, shoes, groceries, money. And we learned cashier, customer. Cashier, customer. Excellent. We learned two verbs, the verb to buy. So when we when we receive something, that we purchase, when we receive. So I buy water. I receive the water, I buy the water. Or pay is when we give the money. Okay, when we buy something and we give money, we pay for it. I pay for the water. I pay rent. I pay car insurance. I don't know. What do we pay for? For everything. I pay, insurance every month, things like that. Okay. And our phrasal verb. So try on is when we put on a piece of clothing, shoes, in order to make sure it looks good and it fits. Okay. And pay for when we give money to someone. Good job, everyone, today. You did awesome. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.